Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. We saw a little bit of relief for the Nasdaq and the S&P 500, and gold is up against resistance. Little drop for the dollar. What I'm expecting for the S&P 500 is upside again. I still expect them to go for that one again. We still have this one as support over here. Horizontals. We have this one, and this is resistance at the moment. So I expect us to short squeeze it up again. I'm pretty bullish again, pretty bullish on Bitcoin as well. If we zoom out, we see something like this. The big picture had a retest of that one, and this one, and that broke up. So let's zoom in a little bit. By the way, the weekly closed, and that was a nice reversal doji. Really bullish close, right above support, so really good for me. Bitcoin in the 4 hour, we broke this line, of course. Again, really good, but also if we zoom in a little bit, we broke above this one, and that is very good. On a smaller time frame, I think, or well, on this time frame, I think we will go for a bullish retest of around 10.5, somewhere in that region. Maybe do a quick wick below it just to run some stops. And I think this is our target. This is resistance, 11.1k. And yeah, especially the VPVR confirms that. We're in a kind of a volume gap, I would say, all the way to 11k. So I think we will go there pretty soon. And yeah, that's about it for BTC. Retest of 10.5 for now, and take profit at 11k. Like I said, weekly closed very good over here. Taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum looking very good as well. We're on the daily right now. But a bigger picture for me, Ethereum over here. And over here, big rising wedge. Do we see something else? Let me check. Well, we see this one, of course, but that is not really of an influence anymore. And we see this one, of course, horizontal over here at 360, last year's high. Over there. And yeah, very important level over here. We see action over here and over here. Very important level. But we broke that, and I think next up is 500, which we almost touched over here. And a breakup. This trend line over here to the upside would be extremely bullish, but not impossible. By the way, yesterday at the low we saw very negative funding for Bitmex, meaning very expensive to short and cheap to long. So yeah, I punted in along, took some profit at quite close to the top today, and we'll be looking to add later on. Yeah, I mostly look at Bitmex because those, like Bitmex has the highest open interest. So I mostly look at Bitmex for what it does with the funding, and I think Bitmex also steers the market the most. If you want to trade with some leverage like I do, please use one of these sign up links. They will get you discount on your fees, and fees eat your profits. So make sure you use one of these sign up links to get your discounts. Also, they're in the video description, so make sure to use one of those sign up links. Take a look at NEO. NEO did very good. Almost at their highs again. Quite impressive compared to what the other alts are doing now. NEO is almost at the yearly high. So yeah, NEO is doing very good. They broke earlier this year this big trend line, a really big trend line, and they are again above last year's high. So NEO is looking very good. We'll probably go to around $30. After that, 33, and well, that's some 33, especially over here. would be a level for me to take profit. So that's about it today, guys. I'm very bullish on gold, Nasdaq, SPX, Bitcoin especially. Short term, take profit at 11k. Ethereum, let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's zoom in a little bit more, guys. Let's pull up the VPVR. I mean, $400 is a big resistance for Ethereum. Also, compared to what the VPVR is saying over here, we see this big volume spike. After that, it is clearly 440. After that, 480. So stop below this one, I would say it's about 350, and this is a reasonable trade, I think, at the moment. To 440, just to make sure, take your profits. Of course, let your winners run, but not taking profit. I mean, nobody got rich by not taking profit. So yeah, and for Bitcoin, quite easily retest of 10.5 I think is coming, and you can long it till 11k. I think that's a pretty safe trade for now. So that's about it for today. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment, let me know what you want me to do TA on, technical analysis, and like I said, make sure you use one of the sign up links to get your discounts. See you again tomorrow, guys.